Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to change text background color in Figma using a simple and clear method so your designs can stand out better. Step 1. Start by creating a frame in Figma. You can do this by clicking the Frame tool or using the shortcut key F on your keyboard. Step 2. Once your frame is ready, select the Text tool by pressing T or clicking the T icon. Then click inside the frame and type your text. Step 3. After typing your text, adjust its size and position as needed by dragging the corners or using the Properties panel on the right. Step 4. Now to change the background color, click on the frame itself, not the text, then go to the Fill section in the Properties panel on the right. Step 5. Choose any color you like from the Fill option. Once selected, your frame's background changes, giving the text a colored backdrop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.